Hi, my name is Nalini Mahadevan. I'm so happy to talk to you today. We're going to talk about students. We get lots and lots of calls about students. I'm the principal attorney here at MLO Law LLC. We are in 3 locations. We are in Chicago, Illinois, St. Louis, Missouri, and Atlanta, Georgia. And we practice in the area of immigration and estate planning. And today I'm going to talk about students. I talk a lot about students because students are the backbone. International students are the backbone of every university. They pay full tuition, and so a lot of local students are able to go to school because the international students are paying full tuition. But there are some rights and responsibilities as an international student that these students have. There are also a great pool of talent who are qualified as far as immigration is concerned to work at your local US employers. So we're going to talk about the basis on which these students can work for employers and what can be done and what cannot be done. In today's news, we just learned that 2 countries, students from 2 countries can obtain EAD cards on the basis of hardship, and they can actually work longer than is normally allowed. So students from Ukraine and students from Sudan, both these students cannot go back to their countries because the conditions, war-torn conditions in their countries, and the United States is allowing these students to stay here, just go for the minimally allowed classes, and then apply for an EAD so they can support themselves while living here in the United States and going to school. Now, there's guidance for other students that is not going to change. So if you are a student, full-time student, you are allowed to do CPT and OPT. So let's talk about CPT. CPT is curricular practical training. And this is also a great place for employers to sample your talents. You can work 20 hours a week, and as long as it's in your area of study, it's like a work-study program, and you can learn practical skills while working for a U.S. employer and learning how U.S. employers work. For U.S. employees, it's a great opportunity to look at international students, and especially in today's shortage of qualified workforce, this is a great area to look at. So please look at your local universities. Now, the other thing that students can do is what is called optional practical training. So optional practical training is after you've finished your studies. Then you can go for optional practical training. Now, if you are in the liberal arts or humanities, such as you've studied economics, or you are studying art history or performance art, or you're a graphics designer, any of those kinds of pursuits, then you can get as well 1 year of OPT, 12 months. But before you qualify for OPT, please apply for an employment authorization document early enough so you actually get the employment authorization document. Then you can work for 1 year. Now, if you're a science, technology, engineering, or math student, then you can work for 1 year, then renew again for 2 years. Now, these EADs for students are very important. They were taking a very, very long time. Now, USCIS is allowing you to premium process that EAD, and you can pay the premium processing fee. USCIS generally will give you a reply within 30 days, and it will take another 2 weeks before the EAD you actually receive the EAD. So you don't have to call USCIS. The best way to file for your employment authorization is online. Create a My USCIS account and go and file your employment authorization online. If you have questions about this and any other matter arising with your immigration status, please give us a call. Our phone number is 314-932-7111. Again, my name is Nalini Mahadevan, and you can talk to us on the phone, or when you give us a call, make an appointment, and we'll be super happy to talk to you and to the company that you want to work for. Thank you very much. Take care. We'll see you in our next video.